Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix phone guys Bluetooth setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile guys Bluetooth full setting, how to use Bluetooth setting, how to pair Bluetooth device on Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to connect, you want to pair any Bluetooth device on your Infinix mobile so you can connect easily. So friends, now let's see how to connect Bluetooth network. Open your phone setting. After phone setting, friends, click here more connection setting, Bluetooth setting. After Bluetooth setting guys, on your Bluetooth. After Bluetooth guys, which device friends you want to connect on your Infinix mobile. And friends, you have already any connected device, so you can unpair from here. You can forget from here. Forget you want to forget guys any device, so you can forget also. So with this device guys, I will forget, and guys after forget I will refresh Bluetooth setting. After refresh friends, I have this speaker, so I will connect my speaker with my Infinix mobile. Friends, you can see pair option. Click here pair option, and your device will pair with your Infinix mobile. And friends, you can use your Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth earbuds, Bluetooth headphone, Bluetooth earphones you have. You can connect, and friends, you can use easily with your Infinix mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, you want to forget, so you can forget also. Click here forget device. After forget guys, you cannot use this speaker with your Infinix mobile. If you click here again friends, you can see pair notification. Click here pair option, and you can pair this device with your phone. If you click cancel, so friends you cannot pair. So like that friends, you can use Bluetooth setting. And friends, you can check your Bluetooth device name here, Infinix mobile Bluetooth device name. You want to rename your device name, so you can rename. Click here and rename option, device name will rename. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to use Bluetooth setting, how to connect Bluetooth device in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.